to remove or unlink Instagram from Facebook. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I am already on my Instagram app, so make sure that you are logged in. So once you are, you have to go to your profile page right here. So here you have to click on those three lines from the right top corner. You will see that the process is really simple. So from here you have to go to the first option, which is settings, and then here you have to scroll down, and here at the bottom of the page below theme you have account center. So here it says control settings for connected experiences across Instagram, the Facebook app and Messenger, including story and post sharing and logging in. So click on account center, and then here you have to click to your profile, and then here you have to click to your Facebook, the first option, and then here you have to click on remove from accounts center. So this is how you remove or unlink your Instagram from Facebook. So yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.